She was a queen, a warrior, a scholar, a leader. Yet history whispered her name instead of shouting it. From the battlefields of Bundelkhand to the wisdom halls of ancient India, from the roaring forts of Rajputana to the silent revolutions of forgotten warriors, women have shaped the destiny of this land in ways history often forgets. But today, we remember. Today, we speak their names. Today, we honor the fire that never died, the strength that never bowed, and the voices that never faded. Join us as we unravel the stories of India's unsung queens, fearless fighters, and forgotten Vidushis, a tribute to those who ruled, those who fought, and those who still inspire. Watch till the end, for the list is long, and history is still being written. Like, share, and subscribe to keep their legacy alive. I am the seed, I am the rain. I bear the wounds, yet rise again. They burned my past, they broke my ground, yet in my name, empires are found. I am Sita's patience, Meera's song, I endure, yet know what's wrong. I am Draupadi's fire, unshaken, untold. A voice of justice, fierce and bold. I am the whisper of the wind, the thunder's cry, the river that carves, yet refuses to dry. I am stone that speaks, I am flame that sings, I am woman, the storm with wings. I am Rani Karnavati, the Rajput flame, who sent a Rakhi, but played no game. A widow in war, yet fierce she stood. For Mewar's honor, she shed her blood. I am Rani Tarabai, who held the fort, when Swaraja stood, when kings were short. A widow, a leader, a lion in war, who shattered every Mughal star. I am Rani Durgavati, fierce and wise, who took the throne yet never disguised. A woman in war, a force so true, who fought the Mughals till the sky turned blue. I am Rani Mangamal, Madurai's might, a queen who ruled with wisdom's light. I built the roads, I paved the way, where knowledge ruled, not war's dismay. I am Rani Velu Nachar, the Tamil fire, who rode through battle, bold, entire. Before Laxmibai, I raised my hand. With sword and flame, I freed my land. I am Rani Udadevi, in Sepoy's fight. With rifle in hand, I set things right. A woman in war, unseen, unknown. Yet in her blood, rebellion had grown. I am Rani Chennamma, Karnataka's queen, who stood when justice lay unseen. Not just a widow, not just a name, a warrior who set history aflame. I am Rani Bhavashankari of Bengal's land, who crushed invaders with fearless hands. A queen who rode with sword in air, yet history left my pages bare. I am Rani Gaidinliu, the mountain flame, fought for the hills, defied the chains. They jailed me young, they stole my youth, yet my fire burned, unshaken truth. I am Rani Chennamma of Kittur's land, who raised her sword with fearless hands, fought for justice, refused to kneel, left a mark with her fearless steel. I am Rani Rudrama Devi, Kakatiya's might, who ruled like thunder, fierce in fight. Dressed in armor, sword in hand, a woman who made warriors stand. I am Nangeli, the woman who bled, refused the tax they placed on her head. They took her life, but not her pride. In her defiance, freedom survived. I am Gargi, the wisdom's light. In Vedic halls, I shined so bright. A woman of thought, a voice so wise, I left my mark upon the skies. I am Maitreyi, who chose the mind, beyond the gold, beyond confined. With words like rivers, vast and free, I shaped the world in poetry. I am Lopamudra, sage and queen, a poet's heart, a mind unseen. I walked with rishis, stood with lore, a scholar's soul forevermore. I am Avayar, the Tamil bard, a woman whose words cut sharp and hard. My verses guided, bold and deep, a song of wisdom time will keep. I'm Kadambini, a doctor's pride, the first to heal, the first to guide. In halls of men, I took my stand and placed the scalpel in my hand. I am Rukmabai, the doctor's will, who shattered chains, who stood up still. A girl who rose, defied the age, turned medicine's book to a brand new page. Not a whisper, not a sigh, but thunder rolling through the sky. Not a shadow, not a scar, but flames that burn from near to far. I am Kamala Devi, art's lost light, who fought for crafts, for equal rights. Before they spoke of feminist cries, I held the torch. I broke the ties. I am Dakshayani Velayudhan, fearless and bright, the first Dalit woman to claim her right. In halls of power, my words were steel, a voice for justice, sharp and real. I am Draupadi Murmu, silent yet strong, a tribal heart that marched along. Through forest paths, through fields of stone, I carved a place, I built my throne. I am Annie Besant, with fire in speech. For India's rights, I chose to teach. Not by blood, yet still I stand, a foreign woman for this land. To Vijaya Lakshmi, the first to stand, a woman's voice in a leader's land. To Bishnupriya Manipuri, lost in lore, who danced yet fought in Krishna's war. To Captain Prem Mathur, sky-bound dreams, India's first pilot, breaking extremes. To Bikaiji Kama, the tree-collar high, she dreamed of India, free and wide. To Rani Uda Devi, in sepoys fight, with rifle in hand, I set things right. To Rani Chennamma, Karnataka's queen, who stood when justice lay unseen. To Rukmabai, who redefined fate, India's first doctor, breaking the gate. To Anasuya Sarabhai, the workers' guide, who fought for justice, stood with pride. To Rani Bhavashankari of Bengal's land, who crushed invaders with fearless hands. A queen who rode with sword in air, yet history left my pages bare. To the hands that shape, the feet that run, to the ones who fight, to the ones who burn, to the voices hushed yet never gone, to the ones who rise though battles long. For I am woman, unchained, untamed, a voice once lost, now fierce and named, a whisper, a wave, a storm, a sea, the past, the present, eternity. I am the wind that shakes the night, the fire that turns the dark to light. I am the storm that does not cease, a warrior's cry, a queen's peace. The list is long yet never complete, for history's echoes still repeat. A queen, a warrior, a scholar, a guide. With every dawn, she stands with pride. She is born today and yet to rise, to carve her name across the skies, a woman who shapes, a woman who leads, who turns her voice into mighty deeds. The past we honor, the present we see, the future awaits her legacy, for time will write, as it has before, another name, one legend more. She is history, she is now, she is yet to be. She is woman, unshaken, unchained, eternal. Happy Women's Day.